Justin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke with another super fresh arrival. This here is a 2012 Mesa Ridge 325B. Guys, this is part of our 12-point inspection list. If you don't know what that is, feel free to call one of us friendly sales staff and we'll let you know. On the exterior of this unit, we do got pass-through storage up front, huge exterior awning. We do have the second door to get into the bathroom, and down here, guys, come on down, look at the outdoor kitchen. Nice big fridge, tons of space in that. Two pull-out drawers, boom, boom. This is a pull-out cooktop, sink. You got some speakers in there as well, microwave, and some more storage. There is a ladder here on the back, folks. Let's go inside and check her out. Guys, now we're inside the open range, and right up front and center, here's your entertainment area. You got storage up above, as well as your whole control panel is right here. Tank sensors, all that fun stuff. Spot you can mount a 32-inch TV, I would say. You do have your stereo deck for your inside-outside speakers with some more storage down below. Now behind me, just take a minute. Look at this unit, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Couch will pull out to a bed. There is some storage up over top. And then you got a U-shaped dinette. That will come down to a bed as well with some more storage up over top and some lights. Flip around here, guys, 180. Check out the kitchen. Tons of space here. You got the sink covers. Dual sinks, great for washing dishes. There is storage up above there. Cups and plates is what I do there. Microwave, range hood, 3-burner cooktop, great size oven. And we got a pull-out drawer for our pots and pans. Now right in here, all your, that one's just kind of a pull down. There we go. There's the cutlery ones. I knew I was missing something. Norcold refrigerator that does work on gas and electric. That is a fair size refrigerator. And then all this storage over here would be great for a number of different things. You could use it as a linen closet. You could use it as a pantry. Opportunities are endless in this Mesa Ridge. Over here, I like how this is conveniently right outside the bathroom. Tons of wardrobe space, pull-out drawers, and then there is a little spot down here. I don't know, maybe throw some extra toilet paper there. Now, let's check it out. There we go. Bathroom is really nice and spacious. You got a porcelain toilet here. There is a cabinet right up above. Vanity. Storage down below. And you actually have the small, shallow tub, which is great for a small child, maybe a dog. And there's tons of headroom in here. If you're a tall person, you're showering in here, no problem. Now, coming back into the bunk room. Lots of space here as well, guys. Great size bed right here. This bed over here does lift up if you want to hang out on the couch. Couch drops down. And then the entertainment area. Put the kids' TV here. Some storage spots there. Maybe some toys. The ladder comes out. And tons of wardrobe space. Alright. Last but not least, the master bedroom. Now, we have a queen-size bed up here. This is an upgradable bed. Or an upgraded bed, sorry. There is his or hers closets on either side with some storage up above. They do have end tables on either side with pull-out drawers as well. And then you got the 2 sliding doors that will close off this area, obviously for some more privacy. When you have this closed off, you can put a TV there if you would like. Folks, this unit is a beautiful family unit. Great little unit. Come on down and check it out at Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.